And firstly, you will take. No, Rose, you see, Rose, use the video.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can cook. And now you can see and put your belt and inside this support frame of the conveyor belt. Yeah. Okay, and use these two parts, right? And use this to the belt, the two parts of the joint, and use this one and try to join together, try to connect together. Okay, and after you put inside, fix this iron, and now you will fix this ruler. Fix this ruler. Yeah, put it here. Okay. And also this one at the end of. Yes, yes. Like this gearbox. This one is the gear supporter. But you know, we design the long distance for this groove. So that means that will be enough space for you. There is enough space for you to adjust the distance, because this belt have to be very straight. That means after you tight and make the belt to be straight, so the conveyor belt will be flat and not softer. Yes. So at the beginning, it's not necessary for you to tight the screw so much. You just fix it. You just need to fix the screw at the correct location, and then try to okay, and try to make sure the belt is in the middle size, in the middle location of the big ruler. And then try use this one. Yeah, this one. Yes, okay. This ruler. And inside. Kind 拍好 and fix those short rulers and go here, right? Go here. And put this frame on here. And that one for the hopper of the material. This one is the hopper of the material. And just put here. And later on we'll use the screw, try to tighten them. Okay, at the left side, okay. Yes. And try to, yes. Okay, all right. And later on, you'll try to fix all the screws and tight the screw very well. And also for this frame, the support also with the screw. See? and put this the electric motor together with the gear. And normally, you know, after you plan to maintain your gearbox, this one is the mouse, right? It's the mouse. Before you use the conveyor belt, try to open this one. Fill the gear oil. Fill the gear oil inside. Fill the gear oil before you use it. And you will exchange the gear oil half year. One time half year. One time half year, okay? And close here.可别直一抓这老快了，这速度啊！哎，都转不上汤。搁非洲一天这一个。And this rule I have to pass here, and try. You know why I told you this 4 screws is not necessary for you to tighten at the beginning. That's why you have to push, right? Have to push and adjust the location for this part. And after you fix this one. And with the chains, these chains have to be tied, right? These chains have to be tied. The weight, and try to to pull the belt and keep the belt to be more tighted. Yes. Now the conveyor belt is more tight, right? Compared with before, it's more tight. So if you plan to make the conveyor belt to be more tight, try to adjust this screw, and try to pull. And try to pull the belt to make it more tight. Yes, and over here. It's by here. You see, if you plan to make the conveyor belt to be more tight, remember use this switch. Try to. Okay, so. Okay. And now you can feel the belt. It's very tight. And now the belt is very tight. It's okay. Huh? And now you see the check the length. And check the length whether is okay. And now mostly of the work is finished. Mostly of the conveyor, the fixing work is finished. And later on, if you check, the belt from the beginning and the back, it's at the same level, at same balance. So tight this one and try to pull. Okay, now you pull it, right? You check this link. Check this the chains. The chains is very tight. It's tightened. So fix the screw. Fix this frame and 4 pieces of the screw. Like here. And over here. And third one, fourth one. And try to tighten it. That's all. Okay? Alright. Good. The long ruler will be fixed here. And the function of this long ruler is for supporting the downside conveyor belt. Yeah, that's all. 我以为有起水的外机了。陆哥，看它怎么架上去的啊？哎，2米也行。改个2米的可以。对，哎，慢。 You try to fix the conveyor belt at the two sides of the brake machine. That's all.
There and here both.
Yeah, both of those fine.
Okay.
Both of them are fine.
So this is how much you put? You put
And both two sides are okay.
okay.
Okay.